We produce solutions tailored to your needs to carry your business into the future. Pioneering brand in its sector, signing the most prestigious projects in Turkey and the world, Sancak Otomasyon Makina. Sancak Otomasyon Makina, which started its production life in 2015 under the leadership of Sinan Çalık, is among the world's leading brands today. Offering reliable and innovative solutions in industrial automation systems to increase the efficiency and profitability of your business, Sancak Otomasyon Makina maximizes the performance of your business with our smart systems that monitor and optimize every movement of your machines. We focus on our customers' needs and offer powerful and flexible systems for the future. In order to offer the best solutions to our customers, we follow new developments in the sector and continue to develop our products in an innovative way. Sancak Otomasyon Makina offers its customers reverse engineering services to analyze, optimize, develop, and redesign existing products or machines. This service offers an ideal solution to increase productivity, reduce costs, and increase competitiveness. Take advantage of the power of Sancak Otomasyon Makina to step into the business world of the future. The sectors we serve: automotive, construction, household appliances, window, door lock, medical, furniture accessories, defense industry. Our core business: special machine production for the company, key encryption and lock machines, barrel assembly machines, lock body riveting machines, production of bearing cage, production of machine spare parts, analysis test appliance, turnkey projects. We produce customized machines. With our latest system, CNC machining centers, we serve with the production of machine spare parts in line with the demand from companies. In addition, Sancak Otomasyon Makina, we provide consultancy services to our customers and offer the most suitable automation solutions for the needs of your business with our expert team. Contact us for more information about the automation and machinery needs of your business. Sancak Otomasyon Makina. Quality is never a coincidence, is always the result of intelligent effort.